Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Monday the 29th. Hope you guys are doing well today, and I hope you're ready to learn some more math. Hope you had a good, nice, restful weekend, and I hope you're ready to work hard today, guys. We always have a lot to do, you know that. It's a very reasonable class, but yet you do have to work hard to do well in this class. Here's the schedule for the week. Today we're going to take notes, and I'm going to teach for a very long time today. However, there won't be any homework, so it's a good trade-off. Tomorrow, you're going to work on homework, and you're going to start working on the review sheet, okay? Wednesday, we're going to take a quiz, and we're going to continue working on the review sheet. Now notice, I would give you the test on Thursday, but that's a church, well, Wednesday's a church night, so I don't want to give you a test on Thursday, okay? Otherwise, I would. So Thursday, we're going to start chapter 2, but none of that material will be on your test. And then Friday will be your test, okay? So test, quiz on Wednesday, test on Friday. A big week for you guys, all right? And I'll give you more details later as to what will be on your test. At this time, make sure your name is on your homework, please. I gave you this assignment on Friday. It's due today. Please pause, make sure your name is on it, and please turn your homework in now at this time. Incompletes for track 2. Let's see what we have here real quick. Okay, Micah, I know there was some confusion, on this assignment, and it's my fault. I apologize. And let me go ahead. Let me just go away from this and drop down here real quick, guys. Okay, I want to talk about this right here. Right here. There seems to be some confusion on the date that the homework is due, okay? That's my fault. Look, guys, is everybody listening? Is everybody listening? Listen. When I give you homework help videos, those videos were made, like the one on Friday said, now I'm using a mouse here, so it'll be a little messy, but it said lesson 1.5, homework. And that was the homework help video, correct? Remember that? Well, listen, if you listen to that video, I'm not sure what day I said the homework was due, but don't listen to that, okay? These videos were made 5 years ago, and I should have told you this is totally my fault. And Mrs. Duke can remind you guys if she thinks of it. And I think she did on Friday. I think Josh told me she did on Friday. But guys, listen, that is not what you go by, okay? The homework help video is only there for you to listen to the problems, to help you find your mistake on the problems. And I apologize, Micah, and all you students, for not going over that better, okay? How do you know when homework is due? By this intro video right here, the one you're listening to now. Every day I tell you when the homework's due on this video. And I'm not saying you, Micah, I'm saying some of you are probably not listening during the intro video. And you've got to listen during this intro video, okay? Like tomorrow, I'm going to give you homework. See it right here? Tuesday homework. So tomorrow, I'm going to give you homework. And on the intro video, I'm going to say, your homework's due Wednesday. And that's what you go by. Don't listen. Listen, the homework help video is going to say things like, you have a quiz tomorrow, be sure and study. Your homework's due on Christmas Day. It's going to say all kinds of stuff. You ignore that, okay? The only thing you listen to is the intro video. All right? I hope that makes sense. Anyways, Micah, let's get this turned in by tomorrow or by today, please, okay? This was given on Wednesday. Please turn that in by today or by tomorrow. All right? Moving on. Okay, today we're going to go over Friday's quiz quickly, and we're going to take notes today. The teaching video today is about parts of angles, how to name those angles, and defining them. We'll be measuring angles today, so please go ahead at this time and get out your protractors, okay? Hopefully you have those. You were told to get those the first day of school. And if you don't, you'll definitely want one by the quiz on Wednesday and by your test on Friday, okay? We are also going to be looking at 5 types of angles, and we're going to study a postulate today. There's the teaching video. about 40 minutes long. And if you don't finish it in class, you do not have to finish it at your house. Mrs. Duke, if this happens, please let me know how much you have left for tomorrow, and we'll finish it tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Now that we went over this already. Now, let's go over Friday's quiz. So your quizzes should have been passed back to you already. Okay. Obviously, I'm not going to go over fill in the blanks. You have notes on those. Okay. Everything I told you would be on here was, except for postulates 3 and 4. Okay. But there was nothing on the quiz that should have been a surprise to you. Every mistake is 4 points off. So if you want to check my work, feel free to do that. Okay. Every mistake was 4 points off, and there were no F's. There were no A's and no B's, but there were 3 C's and a couple. No, I'm sorry. There was 1 F, and there were a couple C's and a couple D's, which I don't feel bad about that, guys, because you did know exactly what was going to be on the quiz. Okay. So if you want to check my work, feel free to. Each mistake is 4 points off. Okay. And that's it, guys. That's all for today. Please get to work on your notes. Have a great day today. Contact me if you have any questions at all. Well.